subconscious mind is in you. Close your eyes.
Master's guidance and the Gudakesha has really
all the desires, materialistic.
In which a boy is bending a spoon.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I begin with bowing down to every one of you.
World's happiest man, Matthew Ricard and
Does it
they will evolve over time, because now that we're doing this meditation more and more, it will evolve.
I felt so, peaceful, calm, and
Even actually, whatever you don't like, no need to. Whatever you like, whatever you. So this is just a sample, and of course, day by day, you can relax much more deeply, much more quickly, much more profoundly. Okay, it's about art of relaxation. We need to be friendly with the subconscious mind, or a subconscious mind. We need to understand. So we need to use right words towards the meditation. Not affecting you anymore. So whatever the Sri Krishna is talking about in Sthita Prajnata, Trikarma Shuddhi, and
it was more, mind is more clear. I noticed my mind is clear, and staff as well noticed that you are different. And friends, they also used to say, did you not sleep?
Summary of all the experiences is to experience that happiness, to be blissful all the time. So that highest wisdom, Master is sharing that highest wisdom. That we are staying in that happy moment every day. We are living that blissful life every minute. Most of the Gudakeshas are doing it. So
And extra sleep, some people are having problems, extra sleep problem, less sleep problem. Everything gets balanced because this is Gudakesha is sleep, Kesha is master. So usually master, how to master the sleep?
no, how he incorporates the meditation is so wonderful. He does like a maximum 40 minutes of meditation, and he incorporates one minute meditation in between his talks. So by the end of the day, we would have completed so many hours of meditation.
Patanjali Yoga Sutra says, Dhyanam Nirvishaya Manaha. If you don't have thoughts, that's a meditation. Sit on this table. You should sit like a rock, like a statue. At the time, you can experience all the benefits of meditation. If you do, keep on doing these three things. For 10 seconds, we allow the breath to slow down. Okay.
Master has utilized every minute of his life towards sadhana, towards meditation, towards attaining that enlightenment. He learned so many tips and techniques during that his journey. He met so many masters. So whatever he has learned, he is giving away all those tips and techniques in the form of Gudakesha. He is giving away in that night meditation workshop.
They're still there, and that roundness, I got it through Gudakesha meditation. And now my days are, as Malika just said, I feel very happy without any reason, no reason, just doing little things, but still we do happier and happier. And if something happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, that is also okay. So
this was before Gudakesha. I did Gudakesha in 2020, the 41-day program, and since then I've learned to relax myself and be present in the moment.
Deep here, I feel something positive vibration. I hope everyone have the same feeling.
Energy points are there, 20 times than the reverse. So utilize the ocean time. The connector to 5.
Even as a new mother, sitting whole night, somebody used to say, if you sit, we need to rest for the more lactation for the newborn babies. So there is no lactation problem, and I encourage I have myself walking. I used to do walking meditation, holding the baby.
Gudakesha, it is a very advanced spiritual course taught by an enlightened person. So
till that time you continue the meditation regularly. Okay? I hope from today onwards everybody.
Sitting and doing the meditation, and he was like.
Meditation throughout the night. I thought that's a wonderful opportunity to meditate for long hours, and I heard to GMPWisdom, Master Prabodh Wisdom organization.
In last 2 weeks it is.
That's all gone. Usually.
Guru Garu. Every time I can recollect him. From his mouth he says, I slept 34 years ago. That is the greatest statement he gave in his books. In Patkoni 30 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది అని. That means they are always
that you are not sufficiently energized, relaxed. Maybe
part of from him. So I come to that.
As Master said, so far 5,000 people have learned this Gudakesha. So many activities happen on 6th and 7th. I've been explaining about Gudakesha.
So the more peacefulness is there, more focus is there. More. So,
You know, without him, even Malika would have managed to do that.
The moment I entered into the room, the oneness came automatically, effortlessly. I would like to say that effortless oneness, zero gravity state. So this
from 90 to 100, you need to come. That will take a lot of time. But in the Gurus, just a touch. From there onwards, it happens. From then onwards, candle lighting, just like it's like simple. Candle is lighting the other candle.
Energy exercise, the whole thing was just tingling. You in your presence with ultimate experience. So thank you very much for that experience.
Can you share your thoughts?
When you need meditation, it helps you go back into that state. And you do that as frequently as possible. And that keeps you in a meditative state throughout the day.
सावन देता है जीना उसका जीना है जो
Fullest awareness is enlightenment. Closed eyes meditation. You can open your eyes and just observe 2 to 3 breaths. And slow exhalation also. And basically bring a smile in your face. And if they're talking in other languages, which I don't, not even yes.
He said he learned from that story, he learned how energy is while with open eyes.
So I feel so blessed, and I felt,
Inhale. I know that, but I wanted to, I'm not able to control that.